Why did our grandmothers refuse to throw these away? It wasn't just because they were frugal. It wasn't because they didn't have other options. It's because they knew a secret about home organization that modern luxury brands are now trying to sell back to us for $50. My grandmother kept a shelf of glass jars in her kitchen for over 40 years. Every single jar had a purpose. Every single jar had a place. And not once did I ever see her pantry in chaos, her bathroom counter cluttered, or her craft supplies spilling across the table. Today, I'm showing you the 5 genius ways a simple jar solves our biggest daily frustrations. No fluff, no filler, just the real wisdom that got passed down and somehow got lost along the way. Hack 1. The visual pantry. The end of mystery food. Bags are the enemy of a clean pantry. Half-opened bags of rice, folded over chip bags, twist-tied pasta, they take up twice the space and hide half your food. Grandma knew that if you can't see it, you won't eat it. My friend Dorothy, who is 73 years old and still cooks every Sunday for her entire family, told me something I've never forgotten. She said, "I never threw food away because I never lost food." She could stand at her pantry door and see exactly what she had. Lentils, oats, flour, sugar, all in clear glass jars lined up like a library. Clear glass isn't just pretty, it's a tiny habit that stops you from overbuying at the grocery store. It prevents food from expiring quietly in the back of the shelf where nobody looks. It turns your pantry into a system you don't have to think about. You open the door, you scan the shelf, you know exactly what you need. No more buying a second bag of cumin because you couldn't find the first one. No more throwing out expired lentils you forgot you had. It's organization you can see through, literally and figuratively. And the best part? The jars Dorothy uses today are the same ones she bought in 1987. Not a single crack, not a single stain. Try saying that about a plastic container. Hack 2. The stability secret. No more spills. Let's have an honest conversation about something that doesn't get talked about enough. As we get older, our hands aren't always as steady as they used to be. Maybe it's the morning stiffness before your joints warm up. Maybe it's the tremor that comes and goes. Maybe it's just that a lightweight plastic container feels like it has no weight at all, like it's fighting against you instead of with you. My neighbor Helen is 68 years old. She has mild arthritis in both hands, and she will be the first person to tell you that her bathroom counter used to be a disaster zone. Cotton balls rolling across the sink, Q-tips scattered on the floor, a little plastic cup that tipped over every time she reached past it. She switched to heavy-bottomed glass jars 2 years ago, and she told me, "I feel like I have control again." That's not a small thing. That's not about aesthetics. That is about daily dignity in your own home. Lightweight plastic containers tip over and create a mess because they have no anchor. But these heavy-bottomed glass jars, they stay put. The weight works for you. You can reach past them, brush against them, open a drawer beside them, and they don't move. Use them for your bathroom cotton swabs or your craft room buttons. Use them on your desk for pens and scissors. Put one on your nightstand for your reading glasses and your daily vitamins. They provide the stability that modern plastic just cannot match, and they give you back something quietly precious. The confidence to reach for things without holding your breath. Hack 3. The undershelf space creator. Now here is the hack that genuinely stops people in their tracks when I show them. If you are struggling to reach those high shelves, stop using them for everyday items. That seems obvious when you say it out loud, but how many of us are still tiptoeing and stretching every single morning just to reach the paprika? My Aunt Rosa is 71 years old, 5 feet tall, and the most organized person I have ever met in my life. She showed me this trick 15 years ago, and I have never looked at a cabinet the same way since. You take the metal lid from your jar. You screw it directly into the underside of your cabinet shelf. Now your jar screws right onto that lid, hanging upside down, completely secure, completely accessible. Your spices are at eye level. Your sewing supplies are at eye level. Your cotton rounds, your hair ties, your small batteries, all hanging neatly underneath the shelf, taking up 0 counter space and 0 upper cabinet space. Rosa has 8 jars hanging under her kitchen cabinets and 4 more under her bathroom vanity shelf. She reaches everything without straining. She sees everything at a glance. And when guests come over, they always stop and ask her what organizer she bought. She laughs every single time. I bought nothing, she tells them. I used what I had. That is the secret in a sentence. Hack 4. The health angle. Glass versus plastic. We need to talk about what is actually happening inside those old plastic containers. We've all seen them. The stained, pitted, warped plastic containers that have been microwaved one too many times, that hold the ghost of every tomato sauce they ever touched. Those stains are not just cosmetic. Plastic is porous, which means it holds onto bacteria, odors, and over time, it breaks down. It leaches chemicals into your food, especially when it's heated or when it holds acidic foods like citrus or tomatoes. My mother-in-law, Constance, is 75 years old and worked as a home economics teacher for 30 years. She has been telling anyone who will listen about this since before it was a health trend. Glass does not negotiate with your food, she always says. It does not absorb it, it does not stain it, it does not change it. Grandma's glass is non-porous. It does not hold smells, it does not hold bacteria in tiny scratches and grooves. It stays clean with hot water and soap, genuinely, completely clean, in a way that plastic simply cannot. It is better for the planet because one glass jar can last a lifetime instead of cracking and heading to the landfill after 2 years. And it is better for your health, full stop. Constance has jars in her kitchen that belong to her own mother. They are clear, bright, and spotless. They have held sugar and flour and pickles and buttons and wildflowers over the decades, and they will hold those things for decades more. That is what quality actually looks like. Not a logo, not a price tag. A jar that outlives the person who bought it and still serves the next generation. Hack 5. The emotional anchor, the one we don't talk about. Here is the hack that nobody puts on a list, but every one of us feels. There is something about walking into a room that is calm and orderly that changes how you feel inside. It is not vanity. It is not perfectionism. It is the simple, proven truth that our outer environment shapes our inner state. When your pantry is chaos, your mornings feel like chaos. When your bathroom counter is cluttered, getting ready feels like a battle. When everything has a place and you can see it, touch it, reach it easily, something settles in you. My grandmother Vera lived alone from the age of 67 until she passed at 91, 24 years on her own. And everyone who ever visited her home said the same thing. They said, her home feels peaceful. It felt peaceful because it was arranged with intention. Every jar had a purpose and a place. Her home was not magazine perfect, but it was hers, fully and completely, organized exactly the way her mind worked and her hands needed. She did not buy that piece from a store. She built it slowly, practically, with the wisdom of someone who had learned that real comfort comes from things that work, not things that look good in a catalog. Grandma wasn't a hoarder. She was a master of efficiency. She was a woman who understood that the best tools are the ones that last, that the best systems are the ones you can actually see, and that the best home is the one that works for your body and your life exactly as they are. Dorothy, Helen, Rosa, Constance, Vera, they all figured this out without a single YouTube video, without a single organizing influencer, without spending a single extra dollar. They used what they had. They used it with intention, and they created homes that felt like relief every time they walked through the door. If you are ready to stop spending money on solutions to problems that a glass jar already solves, you are in the right place. If you want to keep this wisdom alive and share it with the people you love, hit subscribe. No blah, 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 no sponsored products, No $30 minimalist containers that crack in 6 months. Just smart living, the way our grandmothers already knew how to do it. See you in the next one.